Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamna Javed. I will tell you about the Women's Safety app, Holabek. A video clip submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement of the course. Advanced Human-Computer Interaction by Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. The copyright transfer to Dr. Javed Anjum Sheikh. Now I will discuss with you these topics. 1. Introduction. 2. Cost. 3. Runs on. 4. Ease of use. 5. Novice to expert. 6. Versatility. 7. Example. Now I will introduce this app. Holabek is a movement to end street harassment around the world. This app has given an unprecedented opportunity to end street harassment. Now I will tell you about app information. These are cost-free, run on Android system and IoT variant 10.40, update on 4 October 2018, download 1000 plus downloads, offered by Holabek, released on 1 November 2010, ease of use. Holabek is very easy to use. You can download from the iTunes Store or Google Play. The first time you open the app, you will need to create an account or log in through Facebook. To create a new account, enter your email address and strong password with at least 8 characters. 1 capital letter, 1 number and special character. Using the drop-down menu, select your language, which type of you use your language, which type of you prefer your language you can choose, you can select, and your local Holabek site. If there are no Holabek sites near you, click None in my area. You will receive an automated confirmation email once you have finished sign up. Log in to the app, use the email and password you just set. No voice to expert. Every person can use this application. It is very easy to use. There are no need any types of expertise. You can easily edit, delete your stories about harassment. Versatility. First one, to access other stories and show support. Every time you log in, you will be automatically directly to the home page. This will show a map based on your GPS location. You can tap on the dots on the map to read other people's stories. You can also search for stories in a specific location by typing in an address or area in the search bar at the top of the screen. When you click on and read someone's story, you can tap I have got your back to tell the people no, they are not alone. Second one is To submit your story. How to submit your story? Click Take Action at the bottom of the home page on the screen. Click either I experienced or I witnessed. Next, select as many boxes as you want to categorize what happened. Your option included verbal abuse, sexual gesture, inappropriate touching, being followed, incident, exposure, and assault, as well as homophobia and transphobia, racism, and other. After selecting the categories, click Next at the bottom of the page. At the point, you can choose to use your first name or remain anonymous. On the following screen, select where you experienced or witness of harassment. If your GPS is on, the app will pull up a map based on your location and you can tap your location on the map. You also set your location by clicking on Search for Address and tapping in the location. Click Submit. Now you can choose to hear more details about your story and or attach a photo. If you are in NYC, New York City, you can choose to share your story with New York City Council. Click Finish to return to the home screen. Third option is to view and share your personal map. You can view your personal map. On the profile page, you can review all the experience of harassment on one map by clicking on Share Story. The green or pink dots, you can read it and see who got your back. Click on Share Map to calculate your personal map of street harassment on social media so that your community can have your back. To log out, scroll to the bottom of the profile page and click Log Out. Example, I will show you the apps. The app is in the Google Play Store. The name is Holaback. I will show you like this. You can install easily. That is free of cost. Open it. The first app logo that is look like that. Here, look at this red spot dots and green dots. That is, these peoples are used, or these places are used, Ola bag, but they are not available in Pakistan. If you take action that is available, I experienced and I witnessed, you can click and there are so many options. You can select which one you want and this is your profile. There is language option, local chapter, first name, password change, and whatever you want to check the stories nearby. My stories are other stories is here. You can look at. You can look here. This is all of these in this upper app. You can search, use, and then tell me what you feel like that. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.